Hey guys, let's talk about a really cool thing in formulas called absolute reference. And an absolute reference means that when we copy the formulas down, some of it we want to follow along and some of it we want to say stuck in one particular place. So let's look at this example. So I've made up some numbers here. Total students 20,000, and then for each campus I have given a number, just obviously really made up. So the percentage wise, the normal procedure here, if we wanted to know the percentage that Creekview had of the total, it would be that number divided by that number, and then press enter. I have this set up formatted for percentage, so all we need to do is the division, and then it makes it the percentage for us. But the problem is, as I scroll down, you get this error because look at the formula. Look at how it changed. It went the same, the total like it's supposed to, but now it's looking for B2 instead of B1. And that would continue as we went further down, and now this one's looking for B3. And then you start getting some really bad numbers here because now it's lying to us, right? It's not giving us the numbers we want. So if you were to do this with a really big spreadsheet, maybe there's not these spaces here to provide these errors, you might end up getting some really bad data. So you have to be careful of that. So the way you fix this is to put these little dollar signs before the column and row numbers for the cell that you want to stay stuck in the formula. Okay, so the way you do it is equals that number divided by this number, but now I'm going to push F4 and it automatically puts those dollar signs in there. That's way easier than trying to shift 4 and then you type B and then shift 4 and then you type 1. That takes forever. So just type it in and hit that F4 button. Now, if you've got, say, a surface or something like that where the primary function of the F4 button is to change the volume, then you might have to push function F4. But if you're using like the district laptops, the F4 button, the main function is F4. So you don't have to do anything special. It's just F4. If you, as long as you have the cursor there next to that particular entry. So now I hit enter and I can fill in the rest of it, and it keeps on all of these. You can see that information at the top in the formula bar, it kept it stuck at B1, and that's what's important, right? So we get the correct information. So there you go.